Hello everyone, guys. Today we have a 2020 Opel Astra K. We've connected the emulator to our Opel Astra K. We just connected it. Now we open the blue connector of our E45 ECU. Let's open the connector. Let me explain the connection to you. When we hold the connector like this with the lock side, on the right we have a twisted blue and white wire, and on the left we have a twisted purple and white wire. The one on the left connected to the white and blue, which is pin 44. The blue one, pin 44, the blue one, is where we connect our emulator's white wire. Pin 22, the white one, is right here, 1, 2 from the left. Pin 22, and right next to it is pin 44. To pin 22, we connect our emulator's brown wire. When we move to this side, it's the same. They are twisted. They are side by side. It's right above the bottommost one. To pin 67, we connect the green wire. So pin 67 is the one on the left, the white one on the left. And to pin 89, we connect the yellow wire, the purple one at the very end. We took the ground from pin 1. So this thick wire is pin 1. We connected our ground here, and we took our positive terminal directly from the battery. I mean, we can also take it directly from the power source. This is our connection setup. On the Astra K and Insignia, there is a knock sensor right there. When we lift the car, underneath there are two one knock sensor and one PM sensor. We unplug them. No need to unplug your AdBlue ECU. Just pin number 10, fuse number 10. When you pull that, you also unplug the AdBlue ECU. The power is completely cut off. Best of luck to everyone from ADF Emulator. Have a great day.